In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom message on Facebook Marketplace. This is a useful feature that allows you to personalize the messages that buyers see when they interact with your listings. Whether you're a frequent seller or just looking to improve your buyer communication, this step-by-step guide will make the process simple and straightforward. Let's start by navigating to Facebook. Open your preferred web browser and head over to Facebook's website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that now. You'll want to be logged into the account that you use for your marketplace activity. Once you're on your Facebook main page, take a look at the left-hand column. You'll find a lot of options here. Scroll down a bit until you spot the option that says See More. Click on that to expand the list so you can access additional features, including the marketplace. Now that you've expanded the menu, find and click on Marketplace. Clicking this will take you to the Facebook Marketplace main hub where all your buying and selling activity happens. If you're new to using Facebook Marketplace, this is a good time to familiarize yourself with the layout. Here you can see listings, items you're selling, and messages you've received regarding your items. Our next step is to go to the settings. Once you're in the marketplace, look at the top right corner and locate the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. Click on this icon to access your marketplace settings, where you can customize a variety of options. Once you're in the settings section, you should see an option that reads, Set a custom buyer message. This feature allows you to tailor the message that buyers see when they inquire about your listings. It's a fantastic way to personalize your communication and set clear expectations. Go ahead and click on this option. Now it's time to change the text. You'll see a field where you can type your custom message. This is your chance to make your messages informative and welcoming. Consider including important details that a buyer might want to know right away, like the availability of the item, your preferred contact method, or any specific conditions of sale. Keep it friendly and concise to make the interaction pleasant and professional. After crafting your custom message, be sure to save your changes. Look around for the Save button, usually located towards the bottom right of the text field. Click on it to ensure all your hard work is preserved. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a custom message for your Facebook Marketplace listings. Your buyers will now see your personalized message every time they interact with your listings. This small change can greatly enhance your communication and help establish trust with potential buyers. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more useful tutorials. Happy selling!